So we're standing in the laundry room of this house, and in laundry rooms you have obviously a washer and dryer, and sometimes your washer breaks and leaks, or there's some sort of failure in the system, which everybody sees in the movies, or maybe it's happened to you where the water just goes out all over, sudsy water all over the floor, which is absolutely a nightmare. Seen it happen, it's happened to me. So what we're doing in this home is we've located 2 drains, one for the washer to drain into naturally, as well as if in an event for any leaks or anything like that in the future. We have a center floor drain directly in front of where the washer will go. So if there's any sort of leaks, the water will collect and head towards the drain, and the rest of this room will get rolled in fiberglass up against this blocking here to kind of collect any sort of water in this room and prevent it from leaking down into the room below, preventing excess damage in the event of a washer failure, which, you know, nobody wants to have that happen, but our job as a builder is to plan for the unforeseen situations that could arise maybe 5-10 years down the road. And this is one of the things that we're doing in this home to promote the longevity of the product that we're building.